Welcome to Cloud Code Tips and Tricks, the series that will take your Cloud Code to the next level. Today's tip is always try out your Cloud Code with the newest parts versions. We're always improving the product, releasing new features, fixing bugs, and improving security. So chances are newest versions perform better than oldest ones. So if you're running your app into an older parts version, always create a new app using a newest parts version, then try to deploy your Cloud Code and see if it works without any changes. If it does, you can change your production app to the newest version and benefit from all the new features, improved security and stability. So, if you found this video helpful, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel so it can help us grow. Also, share this link with a friend and they can learn something too. If you already subscribed, thank you for that, and if you have any questions, suggestions, or any implementation you'd like to see, please leave it on the comment section down below. We always answer all the questions. I hope this content was useful to you and hope to see you back. See you soon. Bye bye.